Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share one of my favorite Sizzix tools, the Magnetic Platform. It comes in our standard size and in an extended size. Now, I do want to bring your attention to this warning right along the edge. If you have a pacemaker, this is probably not the product for you. It is filled with a lot of strong magnets, and let me show you how that works great with our Thinlits and our Framelits. Let's say you wanted to register a Framelit around a stamped image. Let's take a look at this hello stamp and this label shape that I would like to register around the stamped image. Your magnetic platform is going to hold that Framelit securely in place so there's no shifting. And look how cool it is. You can even hold it like this, turn it upside down, and that die is not going anywhere. Now, our stamps and Framelits are designed for a Framelit to register perfectly around a stamped image. Let's take a look at this succulent stamp. We're going to register that Framelit all the way around those edges. And notice how my magnetic platform is holding that perfectly in place. That's pretty intricate, and I want to make sure that stays secure as I roll it through my Big Shot machine. I'm just going to finish my Sizzix sandwich, and I'm going to roll this right through. And when I remove my die cut, you can see that the magnetic platform held my Framelit perfectly in shape, so my stamped image cut out perfectly. Many of our products work well to the cutting on the fold technique. The magnetic platform really assists in keeping everything together when you use that. So if you're cutting on the fold, you're going to, of course, start with a folded piece of paper. And I'm going to lay down this fold-along card die, and I'm going to lay that just a hair over the fold. And you can see how my magnetic platform is keeping all of that in place. I'm confident I can run that through my machine, and nothing is going to shift. I'm going to finish my Sizzix sandwich with my last cutting pad and roll that right through my Big Shot machine. And when we remove our die cut and take a look at what we've cut out, you see that you can unfold your paper and reveal this extended card base. And from here you would go along to create this cactus fold-along card. Now we also have that extended magnetic platform. They work exactly the same. This gives you a little more real estate to work with, but also works really well with some of our larger scale card bases. Let me show you an example of one of those. You are going to want to use your extended cutting pads when you use your extended magnetic platform. And I'm going to use a Thinlits card base design that is quite large and also requires you to line your blades up. So I'm going to lay this down, and I'm going to lay this other piece down, and I'm going to align those blades. This is a little bit larger than my standard size magnetic platform, so I'm assured that this is going to stay in place. I'm going to put my surface right on top, and I'm going to finish my sandwich. And we're going to roll that right through the Big Shot machine. And that worked perfectly. My blades stayed aligned and in place because of the magnetic platform. Now I have this large scale card base that I am going to dress up to look something like this when I'm all finished. So working with Thinlits and stamps and Framelits, the magnetic platform, whether standard or extended, is an essential tool for all Sizzix makers.